Hey, welcome to System 255. The history of the Windows Phone OS. In this documentary, we will cover the rise and fall of the Windows Phone operating system. The beginning. Starting from the Bill Gates era of Microsoft, Gates introduced Windows CE in 1996, laying the groundwork for Microsoft's future mobile operating systems. The form size of these devices, known as handheld PCs, was that of a small portable PC resembling more a smaller laptop than mobile gadgets we're used to today. They were, however, mobile, weighing less than 450 grams on average. CPU speeds were typically in the 40 to 50 MHz range, and they were accompanied by monochrome screens with a resolution of roughly
480 x 240 pixels.
With CE 1.0, Pocket Internet Explorer was also introduced. It did not share a codebase with its desktop equivalent, but was instead designed from the ground up to be lightweight.
Connected, expandable, versatile, easy. Introducing the next generation of handheld devices designed to put the power of the PC in your pocket. The Windows-powered Pocket PC gives you the freedom to
Pocket PC 2000. Based on the same year release of Windows CE 3.0, the only resolution supported by this release was
240 x 320.
Pocket versions of Microsoft's Office suite, including Pocket Word, Pocket Excel, and Pocket Outlook, were introduced, as well as Notes. The Pocket Internet Explorer browser was also improved with compatibility such as
Shrink to fit,
which downsized web pages for small screens. The beaming of infrared files was also supported.
PC lets you read your email, including attachments.
Oh, and may I ask for you to watch the entire video, because at the end I have a pretty big teaser that I want to reveal to you guys. So you gotta watch the whole video, and at the end I will reveal a teaser. Windows Mobile 2003. Pocket PC Premium Professional Smartphone and Pocket PC Phone were among the additions of Windows Mobile 2003. It offered enterprise features like VPN compatibility, Wi-Fi improvements, and SMS APIs. Moving on to Windows Mobile 5.0, it was released in
2005.
Windows Mobile 5 was available in Pocket PC, smartphone variants, with a format containing a touchscreen, which will soon start to become a standard around 2007, which I will talk more about when it reaches to that year. A new memory architecture was added for persistent storage. RAM was used for running programs rather than storage, ensuring that no data was lost in the event of a power outage. So a few improvements from Windows 2003 and Windows 5.0.
Rich Samiro with CNET TV in New York City at the Apple Store, where the iPhone is set to launch later today at 6 o'clock. Right now it's about 4:50 in the afternoon. Yesterday when we were here, there were about 19 people waiting in line for this phone. Today, as you can see, hundreds more, all waiting for this brand new device.
In 2007, Steve Jobs, Apple CEO, introduces the iPhone, which he describes as a revolutionary and wonderful invention that is truly 5 years ahead of any other mobile phone. Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer refers to it as the most costly phone in the world. It was around this time Google started speeding up the development of Android, teaming up with as many companies as possible like Samsung. Anyways, this was also the year Windows Mobile 6 was released, with a new streamlined name scheme that introduced Classic, Standard, and Professional editions. Professional was designed for cell phones with touchscreens, Standard for phones without touchscreens, and Classic for PDAs or Pocket PCs. Screen sizes of
320 x 320 and 800 x 480
were added. Windows Mobile 6.1 was a modest update to Windows Mobile 6.0. It included some important features and was warmly accepted. It included a revamped home screen with a tile-based user interface and threaded SMS messages. Full-page zooming was added to Internet Explorer as well. Also in 2007, Windows Mobile 6.5 was a stopgap upgrade to Windows Mobile 6.1 that was designed to bridge the gap between 6.1 and the new upcoming Windows Mobile 7. It included a hexagonal tile-based, I don't know if I said that right. It included a hexagonal tile-based start menu, which was novel at the time but eventually failed to survive the test of time. With this release, Microsoft also released Windows Marketplace for mobile and App Store, just like Play Store or App Store on iOS. Then in 2010 came the Windows Phone. Now you might be thinking, Justin, you've been saying Windows Phone all this time. Well, Windows Phone was a rebrand / new family of the Windows operating systems, replacing the previous successors of Windows Mobile and Zune. The first version was WP7. This was the final version to be based on the Windows CE, since all subsequent versions were based on the Windows NT kernel. Microsoft's Metro UI, a design language centered on typography, utilized in Windows Phone 7, as well as live tiles, a new colorful tile-based home screen with seamless transitions between displays. Microsoft established minimal hardware requirements for Windows 7 phones, including 5 physical buttons for start, back, search, camera and power, as well as CPU, GPU, screen and networking requirements. Windows Phone 8. The Windows Phone 8 release saw a merge of Microsoft's mobile and desktop products, resulting in more uniform experience for developers and consumers across platforms. It was based on the Windows NT kernel and shared Windows 8 code. Home screen tiles that can be resized, 720p HD displays, and Internet Explorer 10. The Lumia smartphone series, which was introduced in November 2011, is the product of a long-term relationship between Nokia and Microsoft. As such, most Lumia smartphones run the Windows Phone operating system, with exception of certain later models, which can run newer Windows 10 mobile. Windows Phone 8.1 saw considerable improvements to the Windows operating system. Cortana, Microsoft's voice-activated digital assistant, arrived on the platform, bringing voice-based search to Windows Phone, as well as the release of Internet Explorer 11. In addition, a new notifications panel called Action Center was released, which dramatically enchanted alerts in Windows Phone. Windows 10 Mobile. This was the final version of Windows Phone operating system. Its goal was to integrate and improve consistency with its Windows 10 desktop equivalent. It introduced the new Universal Windows Platform (UWP), which enabled programs to be developed for and ran on any Windows 10 platforms, whether desktop, mobile, or console. Syncing across devices has also been enchanted. For example, if A notice is dismissed on desktop, it is also discarded on mobile. RIP Windows Phone. Microsoft's Corporation Vice President Joe Belfort said in October 2017 that the company will no longer sell or manufacture new Windows 10 mobile devices because of low market share and lack of third-party development. Only bug fixes and security updates will be sent to existing devices. Goodbye, Windows Phone. The end. Now, it's time for the teaser. I actually own a Windows Phone myself. The Microsoft Lumia 550. I think that's the model. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's 550. Complete utter garbage compared to phones today, but having used Windows Phone 8 and 10, it low-key has a nostalgic spot in my heart. Well, how is Windows Phone today, may you ask? Absolutely useless. All the features and apps you'd expect from Android and iPhone are either non-existent or not functioning. SMS is outdated, Microsoft Edge is outdated, no Google apps including YouTube, and YouTube and Edge is literally unplayable. Not even WhatsApp works anymore. So in 2021, Windows Phone is completely out of the question. Wow, you actually watched the whole video. I can't believe it. If you enjoyed the video, can you please hit that like button and share it, because if you didn't know, I'm actually a brand new content creator and this is my first ever video. Anyways, hope you liked it. Please share this with your friends and can't wait to hit 20 subscribers. I really want to hit 20 subs. So hope you liked it. Peace.